In this video, I will show you how to enable auto-translate in Google Chrome. Let's follow these simple steps. Open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. On the left side, click on Languages. Scroll down the page and you will find the Google Translate section. Turn on this option. Now you can select any language that you want. You will also see that the Auto Translate option has appeared. Thanks for watching.